Hello, hello. Welcome to Shady NY. I'm Marilyn, and we have a mixed jewelry unboxing to do today. As I said, my name is Marilyn, and my husband Barry. We are part-time resellers, and we have a ThredUP from Georgia. I'm going to go ahead and cut this just to get the box off my desk, and then we'll go from there. Hope everybody is doing great today. It's a beautiful, nice rainy day here in Florida. Yikes, as I hit the camera. If you're not familiar with ThredUP, it is a online consignment store. We have a rescue box, 5-pound DIY jewelry, $44. Ordered this on August 25th. I have not been seeing these a lot, so pretty excited when a very special friend sent me a text and told me they were up. And I'm not going to say her name because I don't want her to be bothered, but she is a wonderful friend and I appreciate her. And here we go. So let's readjust the camera and get our first look. Pretty nice. Looking good. Got some shell. And a lot of beads. Looks like some howlite. A couple things. I will be going through this, giving you prices. This is not scripted at all, so I apologize. I have a tendency of umming when I'm thinking, and a lot of people have been commenting on it, and I apologize. I have had a slight speech impediment since I was a child. I have dyslexia, so it's a mechanism to slow down my brain. And then on top of that, I had a car accident when I was in my 20s that, of course, I have a little bit of issues. But I hear all the comments that have been made, and I am trying to stay in the moment and hear what you're saying and use the word less, and hopefully y'all will stick with us and we can improve and make these videos as best we can. We just want to bring the best information possible. So back to the jewelry. I'm Marilyn. My husband's Barry. We're part-time resellers. We sell on eBay, Etsy, and Poshmark. I will be giving you prices on things. If I don't know what things are, I will slip in some information that we have done research on. And if you are interested in something, simply give us an email with your PayPal email, your address, take a photo, a screenshot, or a timestamp and send that to us in an email, and that will help us identify what you are looking for. Okay, let's pour out some of this and let's get going. All right, we're going to pull this out because this is really weird. Okay, we have a feather headband, and we're just going to put this right into craft. Let me adjust my light. All right, here we go. We have a bracelet that's pink and gold tone with an H. So I believe this is trying to look like the Hermes H bracelet, and it just slides up and you pull it apart. The Hermes has the name Hermes right here, And this definitely doesn't have the same type of enamel. I mean, it is enamel. There's a few scratches, not many. There's a ding right there. It is beautiful, but it is trying to be what it is not. So let's see. You slide it together, then it slides up and locks in. So let's say $7. It's very pretty. And I want to thank Kristen D for showing us her bracelet measure, because I've had one of these forever and I forgot I had one. So this is perfect. So this is about 6.5 inches. Beautiful. Okay. What in this world is this? Let's figure this out. We have some excess hairs, bonus hair, I think people call them. All right, they're fuzzy little balls with rhinestones on each side. And no name. And there's little rhinestones up against them. This is actually very cute. And it's long. Let's see how long this is. Looks to be 22 inches, 21 inches, so 42 inches. For these pink fuzzy rhinestone gold tone necklace. I'm going to say $6 because I think it's adorable. Here we have Express. It's just a mesh necklace. Is Express still in business? I haven't been to the mall in forever. So this is just a mesh braided necklace. Let's just see how long it is. It is 16 inches with a 3-inch extension. So that's cute. So let's say $5. And I'll put earrings over to the side. This is massive. Oh. All right, this is beautiful colors. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 strands. However, it looks like there is a strand missing. So this is going to go into craft. All craft is $1. So if anybody wants these enormous amount of beads, they are acrylic, the beautiful color, but that's going in craft. Here we have a statement necklace with no name. It looks like it's in good condition, nothing missing. Heavy chain, it is 6-inch drop with a 2-inch extension. And these are very cool. They're acrylic, but it's supposed to look like decoric, is that's how you say it, glass. There is some shimmer, but it's definitely plastic or acrylic. And that's what the back looks like, blue. So let's say $4 on that. I'm gonna put bracelets over to the side. Here's just a corded necklace that's gonna go in craft. All right, here we have a faux pearl 2-strand necklace on a silver tone chain. It is 10 inches to the drop. Okay, on these we have 2 necklaces and 2 sets of earrings. As I said, this one was a 10-inch drop. Here is the gray faux pearls with the 10-inch drop. Both of them have these metallic metal faceted beads in between each of the faux pearls. And the earrings are just one faux pearl. So altogether, I'm gonna put it as a set, and I was saying $2 per necklace. So let's say $5 for the entire set, 2 pairs of earrings, 2 necklaces. Very nice. Here we have, isn't that a cool clasp? And it says something. Pretty colors. This one says Nolan Miller. Right there. Very pretty. That is nice. Screw clasp. These are a beautiful faux pearls, hand knotted. Okay, so these are beautiful. I don't see any missing rhinestones. They are signed Nolan Miller. Beautiful color to these faux pearls. Let's get a size on them. Nolan Miller was the designer from the 80s that did all of Dynasty. So that's fabulous. So this is 14. Let's say $9 on these. These are beautiful. Look at that. It says $925. These are stunning. They are real pearls of all kinds of different sizes, and they are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 strands. It's sterling with this mother of pearl, but it is cracked. It is a slide. It has this catch and a slide. These are seriously fabulous. Let's see what these little stones are that are in here. Okay, let's see what these are. So I believe they're amethyst chips. Let's do a couple of them. Right, yeah. So here they are. These are just beautiful. So they're, what did I say? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 strands of pink pearls, and I mean, they're all differing, you know, their degrees. You've got lots of different sizes with these amethyst chips, this sterling silver clasp with a blister pearl. The blister pearl is cracked. Blister pearl is where they put an object in, and in the oyster, they put an irritant in, then the oyster makes the pearl. It looks like somebody tried to see what was under the blister. So this one is cracked in the center. So you can have a mother of pearl coating put over the top of this. This is just, the clasp is fabulous. I've never seen one so cool, so I love that. And so I just did that. We know that they're pearls. Let's see. It is twisted, so it's longer than it's gonna test, but the twist looks great. So it is about 10 inches, so it's about a 20-inch length with the twist already. So it'd be longer without the twist. Very nice piece. These are beautiful. And interesting, I looked it up online and found the clasp, and look at that price. It's like, what? So it's a really nice clasp. These are stunning with the pearls and the amethyst and the sterling clasp. However, because of the crack in the mother of pearl, even though I think a jeweler could fix them, let's say $75 for these. They are stunning. I think that's a really great price with that sterling clasp. These are beautiful, and the weight of them is incredible. Stunning. Okay. We have no name, but a gold tone tassel with an open oval. That's super long. Has a 17-inch drop. So let's say $3. Well, I'm going to stop right there. Hope you enjoyed part 1, and tomorrow we will have part 2. If you saw anything that interested you, definitely take a photo or a timestamp and send it to us with your PayPal email and your address, and we will send you an invoice. If you are in a different country, we still do shipping, so just let us know where you are and we'll send you a estimate on how much the shipping is. If you have any comments, leave them below. If you'd like to look on our platforms that we have things already listed, it is also below in the description area. To reach me, my email is mhl22@ymail.com. It is also in the description area, but I will definitely put it right here on the screen. Hope you enjoyed this. I did, and I look forward to tomorrow. I hope you will too. And be sure to give us a thumbs up. If you haven't already, subscribe. If you have, thank you so much. We appreciate it. We also have 5-pound bags of scrap for $30. That includes the shipping. If you're in another country, just tell us where you are and we'll figure out the shipping for you. If you need scrap in different poundage, if you need less, just let us know. We can do that also. Easy going here. Hope you've enjoyed this as much as I have. Anytime I'm doing jewelry, I'm having a good time, and hope you do too. Thank you so much for spending a little bit of your day with us, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye.